Hi, this is Minister Gail with Search for Truth 2 Home Bible Study from the Pentecostal Publisher House website, Lesson 1, Chart 3. The Bible, unique and wonderful, more translations than any other book. Survivor of the time and critics, God spoke it and we saw it happen. And the last book of the Bible of the New Testament was written approximately 995 to 105 AD, the book of Revelation. The Bible, unique and wonderful, more translations than any other book. Survivor of the time and critics, God spoke it, we saw it happen. Lesson 1, Chart 3A, more translations than any other book. The Holy Bible has been published in more languages and read by more people than any other book across the world. The Bible was written in over 240 dialects and languages by 1966. The Encyclopedia Britannica, Volume 3, page 588, recorded one or more books of the Bible were translated in over 1,280 languages. All the scriptures and lexicon are found on the esword.net website, which you can download for free to your phone, tablet, or PC. I have a class on YouTube learning how to use the Strong's Concordance online. You no longer need to use a book. I have 3 sources that show you how to use the concordance. I also teach Hebrew, all the alphabet letters and their meaning and the root words. I teach a Bible class for pastors, preachers, ministers, and beginners, showing Jesus the hope of salvation. If you want to learn more about salvation from sin, come to this class, and it is very easy to read. You can order the charts and lessons from this class at the pentecostalpublishing.com website. They have pre-printed lessons you can hand out to the classroom and quizzes for your students. Thank you for coming to this class. Please click and subscribe and see more classes on my Search for Truth 2 Bible study by the Pentecostal Publishing House. Minister Gail, apostolic teacher of the original Judeo-Christian one God teaching in the Bible.